Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nur Wahid. I am from Bina Sarana Informatik University, Faculty Economic and Business, Accounting Study Program, with name 63240788, class 631B39. I will give my opinion regarding the result Indonesian versus Bahrain national team football match. Do you know which match? The match where extra time is 90 plus 6 equals 99. I was very disappointed with this match because was a lot of controversy but from the Bahrain players and the leaders on the field, namely the referee. If the referee had not sided with one side, perhaps the Indonesian national team could have won the match, which was the first victory in the third round of qualifying for the 2026 World Cup. This had a big impact on the next match, the Indonesian versus China's national team. In that match, Indonesian lost because the Indonesian national team players experienced trauma after receiving unfair treatment from the referees in the Indonesia versus Bahrain match. I really hope that the AFC can cause a fair referee to officiate the match, because if not will have an impact on the countries who have the opportunity to qualify and continue to the World Cup. Keep up the spirit of the Indonesian national team. Hopefully in the next match there will be no controversy that will be detrimental to the national team, and hopefully in the next match we can achieve victory. Come on, support the Indonesian national team toward the World Cup. That's all my opinion about the result of the Indonesian versus Bahrain match. If there are any errors on omission, I apologize profusely. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In part 2 this video I will explain material about simple present tense. Simple artinya sederhana, present artinya masa kini, dan tense artinya bentuk kata kerja atau verb. Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or even commonly done in the present. Present tense digunakan ketika seseorang hendak mengungkapkan suatu peristiwa atau fakta umum yang terjadi pada saat ini. Simple present tense is divided into two. One, verbal sentence atau kalimat verbal. Two, nominal sentence atau kalimat nominal. Verbal sentence. In the simple present tense, a verbal sentence is a sentence that uses the basic form of a verb or verb one to express an event that is happening at the present time. Jadi pada simple present tense, kalimat verbal adalah kalimat yang menggunakan kata kerja bentuk dasar atau verb pertama untuk menyatakan suatu kejadian yang terjadi pada saat ini. Verbal sentence formula. Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Use of s or es. 1. Subject I, you, we, they is not using s or es. Jadi pada subjek I, you, we, they itu kata kerjanya tidak perlu ditambahkan s atau es. 2. Subject she, he, it, and name of person or thing is using s or es. Jadi jika subjek she, he, it, dan nama orang atau benda itu kata kerjanya ditambahkan s atau es. Nah, jika kata kerja yang berakhiran o, ss, ch, sh, dan x itu ditambahkan es bukan s. Verbal sentence formula negatif. Subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus object. Do use when the subject is I, you, we, they. Does use when the subject is she, he, it, and name of person or thing. Verbal sentence formula interrogative. Do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example verbal sentence. 1. I live in Bogor. He lives in Bogor. Yang pertama itu kata kerjanya tidak ditambahkan s atau es. Kenapa? Karena subjeknya itu I. Jadi tidak perlu ditambahkan s atau es. Berbeda dengan yang nomor 2, he lives in Bogor. Dia kata kerjanya menggunakan s karena menggunakan subjek he. Verbal sentence sample negatif. 1. I don't live in Bogor. He does not. 1. I do not live in Bogor. He does not live in Bogor. 3. They don't play badminton every day. She does not play badminton every week. Example verbal sentence interrogative. Do you live in Bogor? Does he live in Bogor? Do they play badminton every day? Does she play badminton every week? Nominal sentence. In the present tense, nominal sentence are sentences that do not use verb. Instead, nominal sentence use to be. Jadi pada simple present tense, kalimat nominal ini berbeda dengan kalimat verbal, di mana kalimat nominal ini tidak menggunakan kata kerja atau verb, dan sebagai penggantinya kalimat nominal ini menggunakan to be. Nominal sentence formula. Subject plus to be is, am, are plus predicate. Used to be. Subject I, used to be am. Subject she, he, it, singular subject. Used to be is. Subject you, they, we, and plural subject used to be are. Nominal sentence formula negatif. Subject plus to be plus not plus predicate. Nominal sentence formula interrogatif. To be plus subject plus predicate. Example nominal sentence. 1. We are the champions. 2. I am at home. 3. Budi is very brave, chill. Yang pertama itu menggunakan to be are karena subjeknya we. Yang kedua menggunakan to be am karena subjeknya I. Dan yang ketiga itu menggunakan to be is karena subjeknya itu nama orang. Example nominal sentence negative. We are not the champions. I am not at home. Budi is not very brave, chill. Jadi bedanya dengan yang kalimat positif, kalimat negatif ini tinggal ditambahkan not setelah to be. Example nominal sentence interrogative. Are we the champions? Am I at home? Is Budi very brave, chill? Jadi di kalimat nominal interrogatif ini si to be-nya disimpan paling depan sebelum subjek. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching this video. Final word, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.